Story Kiko.
Hey guys, today we'll be drawing a dog, a golden retriever. Are you ready? Let's go! So let's begin. Draw an S and a Z or Z for another curve. Then draw an O for the nose, followed by a U to make doggy's mouth. And let's do a tiny 7 and another one on the other side. Draw a 7 or somewhat like a slanted 7. Then draw 5 without the line across. So down and round, and it's almost looking like a 5. Now let's do a capital L, but the slanted one for doggy's bottom. Can you do a big U across for the tail? And then a tiny U to make it fluffier, followed by a wide W and a really fluffy tail for doggy. And D for dog for the ear. And let's finish off with a dot. We're done. Great job, guys.
Thank you. Bye bye.